Do you know what we often say before a thing? A cake, an orange, the toy. These little words, a, an, and the, help us talk about things. Let's see how they work.
Look, I have a cake.
The cake is tasty.
In English, we usually put small words, called articles, before nouns. If you talk about something for the first time, use a or an. That means one thing, but not a special one, just any one. If you talk about the same thing again, use the. We say a cake, then the cake.
Hi, what are you doing?
I'm reading a book.
Is the book interesting?
Yes, it is.
The girl says a book, because this is the first time she talks about it. Then the boy says the book, because now we know which book.
Hey, look what I've got, an umbrella.
Oh, thanks. The umbrella is big enough for both of us.
Now we use an, not a, because umbrella starts with a vowel sound. Umbrella. We say an umbrella. And just like before, when we talk about it again, we say the umbrella.
I brought an orange. Want to share?
Yes, please. The orange looks yummy.
We say an orange because orange starts with a vowel sound. Then, when we talk about it again, it's the orange, just like always.
Look, I have candies.
The candies are so yummy.
We hear about candies for the first time, but we don't say a candies because a means only one. And we don't say the candies because we don't know about them yet. That's why we say just candies, no article.
Look, there are toys inside.
Wow, the toys are so cool.
We don't know what toys are inside. We're seeing them for the first time. That's why we say toys, not a toys, and not the toys, just toys.
An apple, just like she said.
I saw a cake, it looked so sweet. A cake, so sweet to eat.
Then we tried it, what did we say?
The cake is yummy. Hooray, hooray! A or an, when do they